Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Vanguard in Marvel Rivals. As a Vanguard, you are the essential frontline hero, designed to lead the charge and absorb incoming damage. Your main objective is to protect your allies by drawing enemy fire and creating crucial space for them to operate effectively. You'll often be the first into a fight, dictating the pace and flow of battle, ensuring your team has the advantage from the start. Effective Vanguard play hinges on smart positioning and keen awareness. Always place yourself strategically to shield your teammates, acting as a protective barrier against enemy assaults. Knowing precisely when to push forward aggressively and when to retreat to regroup is crucial for both your survival and overall team success. Utilize your damage mitigation abilities, like powerful shields or health regeneration, at the perfect moments to maximize their impact and keep you in the fight longer. Selecting the right Vanguard hero for your team composition is absolutely vital for victory. Characters like Captain America offer robust defensive capabilities and excellent disruption, while Doctor Strange can control the battlefield with his large shields and strategic portals. Hulk brings immense durability and powerful melee attacks, perfect for brawling in close quarters. Each Vanguard possesses unique abilities that can significantly impact your team's strategy and overall performance in every match. For advanced Vanguard play, prioritize isolating enemy squishies when they overextend, allowing your damage dealers to secure eliminations. Timing your ultimate ability with your team's pushes can turn the tide of a battle, creating massive opportunities. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof, meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay organized and fueled for victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.